The Office of the Director General of Police Meghalaya had organized a function to inaugurate the nationwide emergency response system and the emergency response support system today, the 18th of February 2022 at the SADAR Police Station Complex. The Chief Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, R.V. SUCHIANG, formally inaugurated the emergency response systems in the presence of the Director General of Police Meghalaya, IDASHISHA NONGRANG, IPS, officials of the police department, other state government officials, besides others. The Director General of Police Meghalaya, IDASHISHA NONGRANG, while briefing media persons after the program on the launch of the emergency response systems, said that the same, which have been catering to emergency calls from the public, had been implemented in the latter part of 2021. Nongrang added that the number 112 had also been launched for all distress calls.
112 is supposed to be a nationwide emergency response system. It has been in place in East Khas Hills, what we call the Public Service Appointment Center, since a few months back last year. But of the formal launching, as you all are well aware, we had the formal launching today. We have 20 vehicles which have been distributed to various districts in the state. While we only have one PSAP now, and we have 3 district centers at the moment. But we're hoping to expand to all the 12 districts in a short time. And with more and more people coming to know about Dial 112, we are sure that we would be able to put our case forward to the center to allocate more funds and more resources to us to ensure that the services are provided to the last call.